Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Discipline's the key. Don't FOMO in, as the song said at the beginning of this video, because a lot of people in my Discord have been asking me, sending me messages, Shades at 7:01 a.m., what do you think about BBAI? ... Had other people reaching out like, hey, should I put 30K into BBAI? And I'm just laughing because I'm like, bro, you're in my Discord. Even the song that I wrote, even the song says, hey, remain disciplined, don't FOMO in. You want to FOMO in like that one girl in my Discord. She bought it at $3. You know, she FOMO'd in down here when no one wanted it. You know, that's how you FOMO. That's when you FOMO. You FOMO when things get cheap. When you see Nvidia drop $30+ from highs, you want to get FOMO when it's down, when it's cheap. You look at 120 and you go, oh my God, I can't help but to buy more. I got FOMO because it just keeps going down. Which goes against what you would expect, right? You would expect to have FOMO. You would expect me to have FOMO like this. Like, oh my God, I should chase here. Oh my God, I'm going to miss out. That doesn't exist for me. I do the opposite. Get FOMO. Do the opposite, just don't get FOMO when it gets cheap. When you see all this cheap bread, that's when you go, ooh, FOMO time. I got FOMO. I just can't help but to buy more as it gets cheaper. That's why that one girl's up over, 100% at this point. I don't know if she sold it yet. I'm not going to ask her. I would hope so. I hope she doesn't hold it all the way back down. That would be silly. But I hope she's ready to hit the sell button if this starts coming down. Just in case it does. But one thing we did learn is that BBAI is going to continue to get these contracts. Some people are comparing it to Palantir. These big contracts move the stock significantly enough that whenever this thing gets real cheap and quiet down here, just buy it. That's really what that girl did. She looked at it and she's like, oh, an AI stock gets contracts and it's just sitting here at $3. Okay, I'm buying and holding. Like, she got FOMO down here, not up here. You get what I'm saying? That's why she made 100% plus. You trying to get FOMO up here? I don't understand that. Like, my Discord's all about not doing that. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know how people wake up in the morning and go, oh my God, I'm like, they're just itchy at the neck. Like, oh my God, I need to get in. Imagine if I was a stupid Discord owner, a terrible trader. Imagine if I was a scam Discord. And I was stupid. I would have told everyone in my Discord, guys, buy BBAI today at open. Buy it at open. It's going to go to the moon. $10 is next. Woo! We would have bought at 747 at open, and we would be down. We'd be down right now, possibly getting ready to hold a big bag, because if it keeps going down, I would just look stupid and silly, right? But obviously I wasn't going to tell anyone that. I just told everyone, what are you, stupid? What are you, dumb? Like... Now you want to get FOMO? You get FOMO down here. I even told people to buy RR here. RR stock. Robotic stock, AI stock. I told everyone, hey, buy down here. There's potential for 20% to 50% gains. It's right at the bottom. You got to have FOMO down here, not at the top. And now it's up 20%. So whoever jumped in on that one, congrats to those people. But, I can't jump into every play. But there's plenty of opportunity. Do not sleep on these robotics AI stocks. But don't also just start chasing tops. And it's actually very sad because some of the people that reached out to me were people that lost money on RGTI, on the quantum computing. Here, look at that. You see that big drop, that 50% drop? A lot of people lost money on that and joined my Discord. And you would think they would learn from their previous mistake. And now, I guess because they want to make their money back that they lost on that gap down, because the Nvidia CEO opened his big mouth, I guess people want to, I guess they want to make their money back so badly that they're willing to chase for some reason. I don't get it. I don't get that mentality. But look, we're going to get another run at some point in the future. No need to FOMO. It'll pump and it'll dump and rinse and repeat. If anything, that Discord member that bought it at $3, I'm just going to ask her, hey, when you buy, let me know. Alert me, even though I'm the owner, even though you're paying to be in my Discord. I want you to alert me, because clearly you know how to trade BBAI. She seems to be a master at it if she bought it and sold it for 100% plus. Meanwhile, all these other people are trying to like chase, and I'm like, what? That's not how you make money. You don't want to be those idiots that sold Nvidia all the way down, and now they're gonna chase it back up. You want to be the one that goes, ooh, FOMO time! I want to buy it cheap. Gotta change. It's really all psychological, and that's what I'm trying to teach you in this video. It's literally all psychological. She was not afraid when it was at $3. She had FOMO down here, to put it that way. That's the kind of person you want to be. You want to look at it when it's cheap and go, oh my God, I can't help but to buy more. Like that's happening with color stock right now. Yeah, no one wants it. Everyone wanted it here on this huge pump. No one wants it now. No one cares about it. That's when you want to buy. That's when you want to get FOMO. Got to change that mentality. You change that, and you're gonna be like her. You're just gonna see it at $3 and go, woo, buying more. There you go. I think this was more of a psychological lesson because I'm just so shocked at how many people in my Discord reached out, and I'm like, no, that's not how you make money. You're just going to be liquidity for someone dumping their shares. Even yesterday at 10:45 a.m., I told everyone, hey, our stock 232. There's some good risk to reward ratio right at bottom. You want to have some FOMO down here, not up here. And guess what? Next day, what happened? It pumped. So I don't get it. I don't get it. You're either the one bagging people or getting bagged. You can choose to be on the side that bags someone else by simply being patient, disciplined, and having FOMO when it's cheap. Like that one girl did. So there you go. That's the lesson. Because so many people reached out to me and I was so shocked. I'm like, huh? Did you not learn from Rigetti? Did you not learn from your quantum computing stock dropping like a hot cake? Everything dropped like 50%. Some people lost 6 figures. I'm like, how did you not learn from that? Now you want to chase it to make that 6 figures back. I get it. But that's also how you get bagged. And you know what they say. There's always those people that say, oh, I bought it and it starts going down. I don't understand. Well, maybe because you're FOMOing at the wrong time. At least have FOMO down here. See, FOMO implies that you're going to go in with all of your account. And you're just seeing greed. It's all greed, and that greed is it's what destroys people. It'll come back down. It'll come back down, guys. Relax. I'm actually disappointed. I'm like, really? Like so many people wanted to jump into BBAI right here at the top. I'm like, what? I don't know if this is even the top. It might just be a pullback. But like, why risk it? Why even buy and get bagged? Why risk it? Why risk it? Have FOMO at the right time. This is not the right time. Have FOMO when no one wants it, when it's just quietly going sideways. No one cares about it. And then boom. And then you bag a grandma who needs a new leg. You bag a grandpa who needs new glasses. But poor grandpa, he bought BBAI at the top. And now he's hoping to be able to see the charts somehow by squinting. I guess that's where this is going. But you're bagging someone. There's another human out there who just got bagged. And they're just like, oh no, I don't understand. Literally being good at stock market trading it's all psychology. That's all I gotta say. Price is a reflection of that. Please don't buy. Please relax. It'll come down and then you can start buying for the next pump. We're gonna get plenty of more pumps, guys. We had one pump here, another pump here, like 3 pumps within months. So we'll get more. And we know now that the reaction to BBAI getting a contract equals 50% plus movement. So wait for it to get quiet. Wait for the volume to die down. And you'll see what I mean. It'll happen again. And the cycles will repeat. That's just how it is.